Hi, this is Dee from Bruised Boutique, and I'm going to teach you how I do a 180 backside stall. So the first step is you want to be able to do all of the things that add up to the 180 backside stall. So on flat ground, if you can do a 180 jump, that's the first step. It looks like this. So you want to be able to turn your feet and your shoulders and flip them 180. So practice this first. You want to be able to do it easily on the flat ground before you start to take it to any bowls or coping. The one thing you don't want to do, which a lot of people do when they're doing 180s on flat ground, is you don't want to around the world. So you don't want to do this, because what you're intending to do is eventually you're going to intend on jumping to the coping. So if there's any lines on the ground or something you can draw with chalk, it actually does help for you to look at the chalk line you drew and try to land on it with your feet 180. So the next part of this is going to be to bring it to the ramp. So you can do this in a bowl, or you can do this in a half pipe, whatever has coping, or even doesn't need to have coping. It can be really tall. You just need to 180 inside. And for this one, we're gonna try to pretend there's like an imaginary line like we did back there on the flat ground. And you want your feet to land on the imaginary line. Don't worry about the coping, don't worry about pumping to the coping. We're just gonna practice the 180 with precision. And that looks like this. So now you can practice doing your backside stalls. So you want to pump so you have enough energy to get up to the coping. You want to turn your shoulders, turn your feet, and spot the coping. So that's it. That's how I learned how to do a 180 backside stall. So now you can practice doing your backside stalls, and there's some variations you can do it with it as well. And go out and have fun with it.